In the last episode, we introduced you guys to the warehouse, you guys got to meet Taylor, and we even showcased a little bit of a secret color they're about to reveal. So this is our new intern.
Hello guys, my name is Christian.
He goes to FAU, he comes with a high rank. I'm pretty sure he's going to grad school, pretty fancy stuff. But today, he's gonna be helping us with this new project that we're undergoing. So if you wanna help me with the Mirage color that we got.
Yeah, for sure.
As you can see, I'm wearing sunglasses because this color actually might burn the retina in my eyes. Drop your side a little bit. Yeah, you can just set it down.
Yep.
Cool. Oh, damn. Don't damage it. All right, ready? Yep. All right, unsheathed, I stored. Oh, actually, this is the wrong color.
Hey.
This might be released soon as well. All right, let's get the other one going. Let's see if the label is actually right this time.
Yeah.
Top. All right, this time it's the right one. Have you seen this before?
No.
Okay, so it's a color shifting color. It'll be pink on the outside, but obviously teal on the inside.
Yeah.
Well, indoors, I guess. All right, so we're about to grab this roll. We're gonna grab Christian. We're gonna meet Taylor at Von Wraps and meet the owners, Erick and Ann, and ask them what they think of this color and how fast they can get this installed. You thought I was gonna take it? It's all you, intern.
Yeah.
You got it. You're a big boy.
Let's go.
So today we're here at Von Wraps with the owner, Erick, and I have a World Cup trophy and some World Cup questions for the man.
Okay, bet.
You have quite the reputation, and first off, is that car the one on the back of your shirt?
Yes, it actually is.
Can we do a little spin around? Look at that. Pretty sick. There's been no shop out here that I haven't mentioned Erick from Von Wraps, and like, oh, dude, of course, everybody knows him, including the influencer that we brought today. I think she actually got her car done here before, so we'll talk about that in a little bit. But obviously, your reputation precedes you, so you do great work. You're always online. And you're a pretty cool dude, so
yeah,
kudos.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, and you're also one of our EVOLV Gumball partners. So besides this project that we're working on today, I can't really show you guys quite yet, but we're going to be sending a different Porsche with a very one-of-one wrap that we're doing for the very first Gumballer, and Erick gets first dibs because he's one of our first preferred partners.
Oh yeah, I love working on my Porsches, so.
You know him pretty well. Obviously,
Yeah.
you're currently working on a couple.
Full door jam wrap on this one with the exterior.
Speaking to the mic.
Powder coating for the wheels on that one. We did full front end PPF, gloss black accents, so we know how to work around all of the European cars. That's our specialty. So.
And with the Gumball coming, we're probably gonna have, oh, this is my turn. And with the Gumball coming, we're probably gonna have a lot of European vehicles. How long have you guys been here?
So as a shop, I've been here 9 years, but as a person in the industry for 14 years. So I've been doing this since I was 18.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
You're a young guy. Congrats on all the success.
Appreciate you.
So next up, we're gonna be bringing Taylor, which I know that Erick knows her, and we're gonna be working on her R8. So we'll do a little grand reveal, and then we'll go over the, I don't know, you haven't seen the actual color that we're gonna give
I have
her.
not.
Okay.
No.
So it'll be a grand reveal for everybody.
Hey Erick.
Nice to see you again.
Good to see you.
I'm looking forward to working on this thing again. Well,
Yes.
your other one, because I worked on the last one.
Yes, this is actually her first time ever getting PPF wrapped, so
And I heard that it's going in a beautiful color.
yes.
So I'm definitely looking forward to this. It's going to complement the wheels, the carbon fiber that you already have on it, the spoiler. It's going to be one heck of a project and a collab.
I can't wait to see it on. I'm so excited. I know that covering the carbon fiber panel is an option. What do you suggest?
I would leave the carbon exposed.
You think?
Yeah, because you already have the carbon fiber on the wing, so I would want to leave that showing.
Okay.
And on top of that, it accentuates with the darkness that you have going on with the wheels. So if anything, we can have a design incorporated to where it almost looks like the older generation of R8, where I've done it before, where I wrapped this section.
Oh, like Gen 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that way it has like that top half split, so it has the carbon fiber shown here and the carbon fiber from here down. So I can wrap this design, otherwise we can keep it in the full carbon.
I trust your vision, whatever you think will look best.
Okay.
You can't go wrong either way, but it would be something different for sure.
We can even add some carbon fiber PPF on the roof.
Ooh, that'd be sick.
That would be a nice look.
This is
That
why
would
people
be
go to
pretty
you,
cool.
Yeah.
This is why we come
The
here.
knowledge, the expertise. Also, if you can't hear her, it's because the mic wasn't on.
The
This
mic
is the
wasn't on?
microphone.
That's the mic.
Oh, this is a heavy ass mic.
Actually, you have to kick it. If you can kick it, then you get to see the wrap.
Okay.
All right, let's do a
I'm
little
gonna kick it
unview.
out.
It's more for Eric. He hasn't seen it. All right. That's why I have the glasses on, because it's too bright.
Guys, this is heavy.
I got you, bud.
All right. So, code name Gloss Aurora Mirage.
Oh, that's nice.
Glot, that's the code name for it?
That's actually.
Oh, that's beautiful. What the heck?
So it's got a
So
pink sheen to it, so it'll color shift, kind of like that Porsche you have up there. So.
Okay.
Yeah. What's
Oh,
your
yeah,
That's gonna be
yours.
beautiful.
You like teals?
Yeah,
Brings out your eyes.
definitely.
That's your first time
like
seeing
that,
it?
Yeah, I haven't seen this color. Oh,
Look
so now
at
you can see that
that.
glitter. Oh, this is a beautiful
Well, no
color.
one's seen it. We're releasing it with you
That's true.
into the wild.
Into the wild.
Yeah.
Is this wet and dry apply? Perfect.
Yeah.
So that works, especially when you have to get into the hard crevices. It's better to apply those areas dry as opposed to it wet and then waiting for it to try to cure.
Right.
So the job's able to get done a lot quicker and easier.
Especially with all this humidity we got right now because
Yeah.
of the rain.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then roughly, how long are you thinking?
I would say under a week.
Under a week? Cool. Do you think you can lift this
Do you think I can lift it? Yeah.
with one hand?
Wow,
Curl it.
you made it
You gotta curl it though.
with one hand?
Yeah, one hand. It's heavy. I don't think you realize how heavy it really is.
No, it's like 45, maybe?
Yeah, that's like the weight of the bar, no?
There's no way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe it's like 30.
Perfect.
Your Uber has arrived, sir.
So we're in the PPF section of the front of Von Wraps. We got a nice little adventure in the cart, which is pretty fun. But I think we've overstayed our welcome, so thank you so much, Eric. You can have this now.
Get on out of here.
Really? You got any last words? Are you excited for your car?
I'm just so excited. I can't wait to see the product on the car and have it come together.
You saw it here first. If you have more info, DM this man, Von_Wraps, or Taylor Gallo ___ or Taze R8. And that's it for us today. I'll see you guys back at the headquarters. So even though it's been a long day, we're back at the headquarters because we have to basically deliberate over the final livery for the Gumball. We also have to pick all the different colors that are gonna be the stickers for the livery. So we're waiting for Mattia to get wrapped up with some calls, and then we're gonna literally deliberate. This is the final livery that they sent me this morning. So what do you think?
What is our logo?
So they put it in the rear bumper now. It used to be on the side of the rear bumper.
Okay, so we just need to make a couple adjustments. So they add Lenovo.
Yeah. So you can get a free laptop now if you want.
Yeah, they add some new sponsor. That's cool. There are a lot more logos than what was supposed to be in the beginning.
So we have to calculate literally all the yardage for all the material for all 100 plus cars. Plus this next month we're doing 30 cars at Supercar Saturday. So it's like 150 in total.
Yeah, so now we have to calculate everything. But first we need to adjust our logo. And after that we have to make all the new template, pick the final decision on the color. I think we're going with the satin. What do you
For
think?
sure.
I think because this is it's more like the standard chrome, but this I feel like it's more like elegant, no? It's still different and catchy, but at the same time it's not too much. I think this is going to blend really good.
What about for the application? How much harder is this?
This is the most expensive material and also is the harder to install. So every installer usually stay away from chromes because of the two reasons. One is the price and two is the installation. But again, it's Gumball, so we do everything, so we can do it. Also because you have to think about the time.
Yeah.
We don't have, it's already like mid of April now, so we have these other 30 cars to do in like a couple of weeks. So there's no time.
Well, we got to figure that out. So now all we got to do is make sure that they get our logo as big as Lenovo at least. Gumball.
For these 30 cars, do they want in red or do they want in white?
No, they're probably want red.
And it's gonna be 30. They want the windshield. The back too? Mm-hmm. And
That's it.
the logo.
Just all the Gumballs.
Thank you for watching, subscribe, and see you next week.